Hi, to change performance profile on Samsung Galaxy S25, go in Phone Settings and from here find Device Care tab. After that, you need to simply choose Performance Profile, tap it, and now you can choose one of two options, either Standard, which provides the recommended balance between processing speed, battery life, and cooling efficiency, and Light one, which prioritizes battery life and cooling efficiency over processing speed. But please note that this setting doesn't apply to games. You can manage game performance in Game Booster settings. And to choose any option, simply tap it like that, like this, and use back arrow to save changes. And that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.